Hello students, today we are going to talk about GUI operating system and desktop management. Students, in the previous class, you were introduced with Windows 7 and the various operations that you can perform on the desktop of Windows 7. Let us recall that Windows 7 is Graphical User Interface GUI operating system that has a graphical environment consisting of various buttons and icons. An operating system is an interface between the hardware and the user. It makes our PC alive and helps us to run different applications. It coordinates and manages the activities of a computer, just like the principal of a school manages all the activities running in a school. In this chapter, we are going to explore more features of Windows 7. Students know the fact Satya Nadella is an Indo-American business executive, engineer, and the current Chief Executive Officer of Microsoft. He was appointed CEO on February 4, 2014. Let us first understand about the features of Windows 7. The first GUI version of Windows operating system was Windows 95. Since then, many versions of Windows have been released. The most popular versions of Windows are Windows 98, Windows 2000, Windows ME, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10. Given below are the features of Windows 7 which have made it very popular. Attractive, interactive, and easy to use. Windows 7 has a very attractive appearance with colorful themes. The use of graphics makes it quite interactive. It works the way we want and makes new things possible. Searching made easier. Using Windows 7, we can quickly search any file or folder in our computer. Flexible taskbar. The taskbar of Windows 7 is more flexible and application-oriented, unlike the previous versions of Windows. We can pin our favorite programs on the taskbar for easy access. Windows supports multitasking. Windows 7 can effectively perform more than one task at a time. For example, we can type letters in MS Word while enjoying music using the Windows Media Player. Students, let's know more. Snapping is another good feature of Windows 7 which helps in working with multiple open windows. It is used to arrange windows side by side on the screen. This is helpful when comparing two documents or moving files from one place to another. Jump list. This is a new feature that takes you straight to the documents, pictures, songs, or websites you have recently visited. For example, the jump list for Internet Explorer shows the recently opened websites. To open a jump list, right-click on a program button on the Windows 7 taskbar. Cascading windows. This option is displayed when you right-click the taskbar. The Cascading Windows option arranges all the open windows from the top left corner of the screen to the bottom right in layers. Now let us talk about the taskbar. The taskbar can be seen at the bottom of the screen as a long horizontal bar. It has the Start button on its left side and the notification area on the right side. The middle section of the taskbar is known as the Quick Launch bar. The taskbar can be dragged to any of the four sides of the desktop. Whenever we run a program, its button is automatically placed on the taskbar. We can activate the application window by clicking on its taskbar button. Clicking the button again will minimize the application window. When an application is active, its button is highlighted in a lighter shade and appears to be pushed in. The Windows taskbar provides the easiest method to switch between active programs. The taskbar has the following three main sections. The Start button. This is probably the most used button on the Windows desktop. When we click on the Start button, a menu displaying the major options appears. This menu is known as the Start menu. The options present in the Start menu provide access to the main programs on the computer. Notification area. This area contains the clock and program icons that provide the status and notification about the programs running on the computer. Example: the antivirus program, software updates, sound, speakers, battery status, date and time, etc. Quick launch bar. This is the area between the Start button and the notification area. Here you can add commonly used programs such as Internet Explorer, Word application, TuxPaint program, etc. that can be opened or launched with a single click. Thus, this bar provides an easy and quick way to open the programs. Students, let's know more. Windows 7 supports an interesting feature known as Arrow Peek. It turns the open windows transparent and makes the desktop of the computer visible. To use this feature, just point and click on the right edge of the taskbar.